Hi, in this video we're going to show you the full service restaurant point of sale with an automated split check feature. Here we have the home screen of the SalesVu app where you can actually start taking your orders. First we're going to actually look at the table layout. Here you will see the layout of your business, which is completely customizable. For this example we'll use table 11 for a party of 6. Now that there's a table attached, you may begin taking the customer's order. We'll go ahead and add the mineral water and change the quantity to 6. And then we're going to go ahead and add an appetizer as well. Now, one key feature that we do offer for restaurants is the ability to assign a seat number to a product. So we'll go ahead and select the burger and fries, select the modifiers, and then assign seat number 1. Now, once the first product has been added, you can continue the same steps for the next customer. In here, we'll go ahead and assign seat number 2 for the second product, and so forth. Now, adding the last item on the list, if the product itself doesn't have modifiers configured, then you can edit the product and manually assign a seat number to it. Now, once all your products have been added to the order, you can fire the ticket and it'll print automatically to your kitchen printer or kitchen display. When the customer is ready to pay, touch on the pay button and then touch on split payment. Here you can see different options available. For this example, we're going to use split by seat number. Each item that was assigned to a seat number will now split into their corresponding ticket. Now for the 2 items that were not assigned a seat number, we'll go ahead and split the cost to each customer. Just hold down the name and then select each seat number that you want to split. Another important feature for a full-service restaurant is the ability to pre-print the receipt. Here you can see that each ticket has their own printer icon. This will allow you to pre-print the receipt for the customer. So we'll go ahead and pre-print the first ticket. I'm going to show you an example here. So on the bottom, the customer will know the grand total of how much they owe. Now let's say that seat number 5 and number 6 was actually a couple, and that they decided to pay together. So what you can do is you can tap on the item names and then drag them into a single ticket. Then at this point you can remove the 6th ticket here. Now once you receive the form of payment from each customer at this table, then you can go back to the screen and process them individually. So we'll go ahead and touch on pay on the first one, and then we'll go ahead and insert our card and wait for the approval. Now when the credit card transaction has been completed, you can print a receipt and it will physically print a tip line on the paper copy. At this point, you'll want to repeat the same steps for each individual customer at this table until it has been completely paid out. Once every ticket has been processed, the table will be free. In regards to gratuity, there are 2 options you can take. You can either assign a gratuity to the whole bill, or you can manually adjust the tip after the transaction. In this example, we'll show you how to do an adjustment. To adjust it, touch on the gear icon and go to Manage Creditor Batch. Find the transaction of your choice and then touch on Adjust. Add the amount and then capture. Then you'll receive a message that has been captured, and you can repeat the same steps for the next transactions. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any questions.